Create this beautiful paper lantern using your Cricut, Silhouette Cameo, or laser cutting machine. This elegant design is perfect as a party centerpiece, featuring a starry sky, a full moon over the city, and a young couple dancing. Thank you for stopping by our channel. I invite you to make this paper lantern with me using your cutting machine. In the video description, you'll find a link to my step-by-step tutorial on how to upload an SVG file into Cricut Design Space. If you're new to that process, be sure to check it out first. Once the file is uploaded, let's get started with the setup. First, open the layer panel and click where I point with the yellow arrow to expand the design layers. Next, find the 5 score lines. These are initially set to cut. Hold down the Shift key and select them all together. Then go to Operation and change them from cut to score. If you prefer, you can also change each one individually in the same menu. Now ungroup the elements. For each design layer with a score line, select both and use the Attach function. Repeat this for all 5 layers with scoring lines. When you're ready, click Make and adjust your material settings. This project needs 5 cutting mats. I've arranged the elements to fit a 4 8.5 by 11-inch cardstock sheets. I'll be using the cardstock for intricate cuts setting, which is already set as my default in Design Space. For 80 pounds cardstock, I select More Pressure and use the scoring stylus for the fold lines. For materials, I'm using 2 sheets of 80 pounds cardstock. vellum paper and metallic cardstock. Here are my cutting tips. Use 80 pounds cardstock. Choose the intricate cuts setting. Make sure your blade is sharp. Use a sticky cutting mat for best results. After cutting, I fold the vellum along the score lines. Crease it with a bone folder and glue it at the tab. I like using UHU universal glue. I'll do the same for the cardstock layers, just like I show in the video. To assemble, I'll use double-sided tape and add a small LED or fairy light. Putting everything together is simple. Insert the vellum into the cardstock layer. Place the base with the light inside. Close the lid. And finally place everything onto the main base. Check the description for full details, including assembly size, required materials, and more info about this lovely template. Thanks again for watching and being part of our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and keep learning how to get the most out of your cutting machine with unique and creative projects.